Have you ever felt upset because something small bothered you? That feeling is called being annoyed. Let's learn why this word is so useful. Annoyed means feeling irritated or a little angry about something. It is not very strong anger, just mild frustration. Many learners confuse annoyed with angry. Annoyed is milder and often temporary, while angry is stronger and more serious. Common expressions include, be annoyed with someone, get annoyed by noise, and feel annoyed about a situation. These show who or what causes the feeling. She was annoyed with her noisy neighbors. I get annoyed when my phone doesn't work. He felt annoyed about the long wait. They were annoyed by the constant interruptions. Tom was annoyed because his little brother kept playing loud music while he was studying. He took a deep breath and asked him nicely to turn it down. Think of annoyed as a noise that bothers you. The word sounds like you are bothered by a small noise. Now you know how to use annoyed. Try to use it today and share your experience in the comments.